So can a blockbuster drug stumble shake up a pharma giant's future? Novo Nordisk shares have plunged 20% after the company shocked investors by cutting its full year sales and profit outlook, citing slower than expected growth from its obesity drug, Wegovy. But with a new CEO at the helm, can the company turn things around, or is this just the beginning of deeper troubles? Now, this is the monthly chart, and if I look at current price, I go up and to the left, we do see we have a monthly seller's level at 108, monthly sellers at 108. And now when I look at current price and I go down and to the left, we do have some wicks on the bottom of these candles indicating buyers. And so we have this rally in price, a basing candle rally. It's not fresh. Price penetrated the zone 100%. But nevertheless, this level is still considered monthly buyers as price never closed below the level. So we're going to call that monthly buyers at $46. Now let's zoom on down to the weekly chart. And when I look at current price and I go up and to the left, you have this drop in price, which is an extended range red candle, two basing candles, leg out. You have momentum to the downside. You have a downtrend. So on a pullback, you go short. So congratulations to the sellers at this weekly sell level at, we'll call it $79. Weekly sellers. Now, going down into the left once again, we have this rally, a couple of basing candles and rally out, but all the trading to the left makes this a low probability setup. Nevertheless, we'll just mark it in. As we could see a reaction. However, the real liquidity is going to be further below in this monthly buy level. So now let's zoom down. I'm going to analyze this price action on the daily chart. All right, we have a gap higher on above average volume, but I don't like all the trading to the left. It tells me that there's not a strong imbalance with the exception of this gap higher. And as price gap lower, created a hammer candle, prices move higher. So there's definitely some buyers here. However, question is the sell-off over or not? You have the three-day candle rule. Wait for price to tell you what direction it wants to head in next. All right, so this is its monthly buy level, and want to see if there's any levels of interest. This is just a reaction to this price action to the left. Okay, I like this right here. Now it's not fresh. You can see how price already reacted to the zone. But we're We're going to keep that as a potential to the downside. If price continues to move lower, all right, so let's conclude and recap. You had a 20% sell-off. Prices is in a weekly buy level. However, the downside may not be over, as your liquidity is going to be in this monthly buy level below 50. Look for price to move lower before eventually bouncing higher.